Here we are again for more Filmora training. So far, we've looked at some basic editing and adding B-roll. Now it's time to add some music to our composition. You can check out any of the videos in this training series by heading to the description. There's also a link to where you can download a copy of Filmora for yourself. I'll see you in there soon. The last thing we need to do is add some music underneath. So I'm going to go back to the start of my timeline. And in my media folder, I have 3 audio tracks. I download all my audio from Storyblocks Audio. It's a subscription, royalty-free music site that I use for all my personal and commercial work. Alternatively, you can go and grab a track from this audio section in Filmora. To preview a track, I'll double click. Then I can either drag it from the preview section or drag it straight from the media box here and place it on this audio track underneath my footage. So this is going to be way too loud compared to the sound of my voice if we just have a listen. So what we're going to do is grab our clip, grab our volume bar and drag it down. Let's go for -15 decibels for now.
And turning them off. There are a number of different free and paid music sites, but I'm turning them off. There are a number of different.
And so it's almost right until we get to this really loud section here. So what I'm going to do is zoom right in. I'm going to expand the section so we can see it a bit better. Put my playhead here. Double click your audio. That'll bring up the audio editing panel and we are going to add a keyframe, which is this little diamond button here. Move along. Add another keyframe, and I'm just going to bring the volume of this down. I'll bring this volume down slightly too. And you can see it gives us a really good visual to see if we've matched the decibels as we're adjusting our audio volume here. So let's play through.
And turning them off. There are a number of different free and paid music sites, but I'm going to show you just 4 options to.
Once you're happy with your audio volume, you can click OK, and we are ready to go. In the next video, we're going to add a title and a basic transition. Then you'll have all the basic tools to take on your own video projects. Jump on into Filmora and practice what we did in this tutorial to lock the information in. Then head over to our next video. See you soon.